Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Makeup Monday. Today we are putting to the test the new, the exciting, and the super innovative, the super talked about Il Makiage. So not too long ago I got a PR package from them, so I received a few goodies. I was able to pick out the products that I wanted to test out myself. I got a total of about $300 worth of stuff, which sounds like a lot, but you guys will see how many products I picked up. It's not a lot, and that's because this brand is more of a luxury brand. The one thing that I really liked about this brand, I follow them on Instagram, is that they are all for high maintenance. Like, yes honey, let's celebrate that we love being high maintenance. There's nothing wrong with that. They're so unapologetic about everything. It just, the empowerment of women that they have and the uplifting, it's just such a cool brand, you guys. And this video is not sponsored. I'm not trying to talk them up in any way. I'm going to be trying out a few products with you guys, and we're going to see if we like these or not at the end. This is the look that I created. So let's jump right into this brand review slash full face tutorial, and let's see what we think. Okay? This is the shade that I'm going in with. It is in the color, I think it's number 35. It is a glass bottle, so on the inside, like, or down here, the imprint says 35. So I'm gonna go with that shade. Again, this is the Woke Up Like This Flawless Base Foundation. And this brand is actually made in Italy. Now, the Woke Up Like This foundation is a powerful streak-free foundation that smooths and evens the skin with an advanced, innovative formula for a flawless, uniform, natural matte finish. Available in 50 guys, 50 shades for all skin tones. There's light, there's medium, there's tan, there's deep, there's neutral undertones, pink, yellow, olive. They have so many shades. You guys are hella bound to find your perfect match. By the way, this is buildable medium to high coverage, so if you guys are wanting to get more coverage out of this foundation, definitely go back a few times and just build it up. So the base is on, and I am very happy with the way my skin is looking. It definitely has that like natural matte finish. I'm not seeing too much shine on my skin. When I touch it, it almost feels like it's going to set itself. I did want to say that I went back a little bit, just like in this area right here, which I usually have just discoloration. I went back and I reapplied a little bit of the foundation. And as you guys can see, like, my skin doesn't look thick, it doesn't look cakey, it doesn't look heavy. I am like shook. Now, unfortunately, I was not able to get my hands on a concealer, a setting powder, or a bronzer. All I have is eyes, so I'm quickly going to do that off camera, and then we can switch on over to the eyes and test out their shadows and really see if this Il Makiage is worth the pretty penny that it comes with. So stay tuned. Don't mind my nose baggage at the moment. We're gonna move on to the eyes. I was only able to pick out 2 products. I really didn't know what to pick, and these are the ones that really caught my attention. So this is the Color Boss Squad Multi-Dimensional Eye Color Quad. So you're gonna get 4 shades in here. First of all, let me just say that all the package from Il Makiage is amazing. It feels very luxurious, very high quality, very sturdy, very heavy. So I really appreciate that. I'm gonna clean mine really quick. But the one that I ended up picking is called Workaholic. And of course it is a warm tone shade. I know that it's not a lot of products for the price, but we're gonna see and test out the quality on this because the packaging itself is definitely worth the price point. I also ended up picking up one for the eyes in case I wanted to be a little bit extra. This is their multi-dimensional eye color. This is the shade Color Boss. Look at the way you open it. Again, the packaging is so original, so cute. So you open it like this. This is just the cardboard box, okay? You pop it open, and this is where you have your little luxurious eyeshadow. Again, very heavy, very good packaging. And this is the shade that I picked out. It's a really pretty like emerald green. Oh wow, do you guys see that? I am definitely gonna use this on the eyes. So let's zoom in a little bit so we can get started with the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with my first shade, which is going to be No Bullshit, and it's this one right here. That's literally what it's called. I'm not lying to you guys. I'm actually going to use this mirror because the mirror seems to be pretty good quality. So we're gonna move on to the second shade, which is going to be Back Off. And it's this deep chocolate brown, and this one's going to go more into the crease than the other shade. And then we have Back Off, Nice and Blended Out. It's a really pretty deep chocolate. Now what I'm gonna do really quick before we move on to any other shade, I am going to take Lush Life, which is the matte vanilla shade. I'm applying that on the brow bone. This is just going to really bring pretty much the entire look together. I went ahead and did a full cut crease off camera, and we're gonna take the limited edition Color Boss eyeshadow, which again is this gorgeous teal color. Holy crap, okay, maybe this needs no water. You guys see that? Okay. And yes, I am leaving that space out on purpose. I'm kind of doing like a double cut crease. That's kind of like the vibe that I'm going with. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going back into the quad. Now I'm going to take this shade and then this shade, and I'm just going to blow out that outer corner on the eye. And there is pretty much the eyes. I'm probably gonna fix them a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to pop on some lashes, and then we can finish off the look by applying some lipstick. So the face is done. I am pretty happy with this look. I don't feel like I got it down all the way how I wanted it to, but we're not doing a makeup tutorial, okay? We're trying Il Makiage. So let's move on to the lip parts. Guys, I am so excited. So I picked up a eyeliner or a lip liner. This is the waterproof lip liner in the shade Fiji, which is a really pretty, like a hot tamale orangey red. Here's a little swatch for you guys. Really creamy, very pigmented. So, like such a pretty color. I also picked up one of their liquid lipsticks. Of course, I had to pick up like a peach nude shade. This one is called Chill. This packaging is so, again, I know that I've said this before, but it's so luxurious. Like it just feels so heavy. It is a glass bottle, which I absolutely love. So that is called Chill. So the other liquid lipstick shade that I got was called Trouble, and they all say matte trouble because they do have metallic finish and satin finish, I believe. And this one is a deep red, like a burgundy red. Oh, I'm gonna have to use this one ASAP. It doesn't really go with the look that I'm wearing right now, but it is really pretty. So what I'm gonna do is I am going to line my lips with my tried and true lip liner by Italia. This is the soft brown lip liner. And then I'm gonna go in with Chill and just apply it on the lips. Oh my god, you guys, this is like so creamy and rich. It is looking so pink on my lips. Oh my god. Yeah. Ooh, okay, this lip color is not gonna work for me. I am going to try this one just for the fun of it to see how it looks on the lips. Let's finish off everything and let's set everything in place using the Milani Make It Last, because we want this beat face to last all day. And really quick, if you guys are wondering the price on the liquid lipsticks, they're $22 and the lip liners are $17. With that said, I think I touched subject on pretty much all the products. Guys, if there's one thing out of everything that we tested out today, if there is one thing that I'm like, save your coins and buy this, it definitely has to be the foundation. I absolutely love how it looks on the skin. My skin looks very healthy. It doesn't look matte. It doesn't look dry. It doesn't look patchy. I don't know. I just love the overall finish on this foundation. So that has to be the one thing that I recommend. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and call it a day, you guys. It is Sunday, fun day, family day. So I'm going to go and have dinner with my family. Thank you for joining me today on Makeup Monday, and I will see you on Wednesday. Mwah! Bye.